friends, I'm Michelle Mogel with TowneBank. Our team visits second graders each year to share our Making Money Count lesson, so you may remember the money concepts that we're going to discuss today. What is money? Money is a tool we use to buy what we need or what we want. Tools help us get jobs done, and money is the tool that helps us pay for goods or services. Okay, we spend our money on goods or services. So what are they? Goods are products that we buy. Some products are needs and some products are wants. Can you think of an example of a good you need? Great. I'm sure you remembered the 5 basic needs. They are food, water, clothing, shelter, and air. An example of a good you need might be peanut butter, or it might be shoes. Those are goods that you need. An example of a want. Can you think of an example of a good that you want? I thought of games. Games have kept us busy during this time of isolation, and that's an example of a want. Services are actions done for us by somebody else. Some services are needs, like paying for a babysitter so that your parents can go to work. Another example of a service many of us need right now is a haircut. Some services are wants, like going to the movies or an amusement park. What are ways that we have money? Well, the first way we can have money is by earning it. We can do chores or a job, or maybe sell some items at a yard sale. Another way we can have money is by being gifted money. You may have been given money before for your birthday. What are the 3 ways we can use money? We can save it, we can spend it, or we can share it. Let's talk about saving our money. What are the reasons to save? We save our money so that we can take care of our needs. Another reason we save our money is so that we can buy things or have experiences that we want. Where are the places where we save our money? If we're saving our money at home, we might use a piggy bank. We could also use a jar, or we could use an envelope. Those are examples of ways that you can save your money at home. Banks are a great place to save your money. It's safe there, and the money can earn interest, which helps your savings to grow. The second way we use money is to spend it. You guys are really smart. I know you remember what we said earlier. We spend our money on goods or services. Remember to practice good money habits by focusing on your needs first and then spending on your wants when you're able. The third way we use money is to share it. Helping others feels amazing. We can share our money with people in need or organizations that help with projects that we support. Our family donates money to help people who need shelter. Some families donate money to help animals find new safe homes. I've had fun talking to you about these concepts. I hope you will practice saving your money and spending it wisely. I encourage you to talk to your family about setting goals and saving towards those goals. Everybody stay well and take care.